Welcome to the AI Buzz. In today's video we are talking about Autogpt. Autogpt is a machine learning tool that helps you create your own language model without having to write any code. It uses a pre-existing language model called GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, as a starting point and allows you to fine-tune it for your specific task or domain. This means that you can use Autogpt to create a model that can understand and generate text related to a specific topic, such as sports, finance, or medicine, without having to build a language model from scratch. It's like taking a general-purpose language model and giving it a specialization to make it better at certain tasks. Overall, Autogpt makes it easier for people to create their own language models and expand the capabilities of natural language processing. Autogpt is a part of the larger field of machine learning and natural language processing, known as NLP. NLP involves teaching computers to understand and generate human language, so that they can perform tasks like text classification, sentiment analysis, and language translation. Autogpt is designed to make it easier to fine-tune existing language models like GPT, which is a neural network that was trained on massive amounts of text data. By starting with GPT, which already has a lot of knowledge about language, Autogpt can help you train your own model with much less data than you would need to train a model from scratch. To use Autogpt, you first need to have some text data that is related to your domain or task. For example, if you want to create a language model that can generate news articles about technology, you might collect a large set of news articles about technology as your training data. Autogpt then takes this data and uses it to fine-tune GPT for your specific task. Once you have trained your Autogpt model, you can use it to generate new text that is related to your domain. For example, you could use your technology news model to generate a new article about the latest smartphone release. Autogpt is a powerful tool that can help researchers, developers, and data scientists to create custom language models for their specific needs, without needing to start from scratch. Autogpt is a computer program that helps researchers create new artificial intelligence models. Specifically, it helps them create models that use a technique called generative pre-training, which is a way to train an AI system by having it learn from a large amount of data. Autogpt simplifies the process of creating such models by automating many of the steps that researchers would otherwise need to do manually. This includes tasks like selecting the best hyperparameters. Those are settings that control how the model works, determining the optimal architecture, like the structure of the model, and fine-tuning the model to work well on specific tasks. By automating these tasks, Autogpt makes it easier and faster for researchers to create high-quality AI models, which in turn can help advance the field of artificial intelligence as a whole. Autogpt is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformer, architecture, which is a type of neural network that has achieved significant success in natural language processing tasks such as language translation, text summarization, and question answering. One of the key advantages of Autogpt is that it can automatically tune the hyperparameters of a GPT-based model to achieve optimal performance on a specific task. Hyperparameters are settings that can control how the model learns and makes predictions, and selecting the right values for these hyperparameters can have a big impact on the model's performance. Autogpt can use a technique called Bayesian optimization to search for the best hyperparameter settings. Autogpt can also automatically search for the best architecture for a GPT-based model. This involves determining the number of layers and the number of neurons in each layer of the neural network. By testing different architectures and selecting the one that performs best on a given task, Autogpt can help researchers to create models that are more efficient and effective. Overall, Autogpt is a powerful tool for researchers who are working on natural language processing tasks and want to create high-quality AI models quickly and efficiently. It can help accelerate research in this field and bring us closer to developing machines that can understand and communicate with humans in more sophisticated ways. Another important aspect of Autogpt is that it can help researchers fine-tune pre-trained language models for specific tasks. Pre-trained language models are neural networks that have been trained on large amounts of text data, and they can be adapted for a wide range of natural language processing tasks by fine-tuning them on smaller task-specific datasets. Autogpt can automate this fine-tuning process by searching for the best hyperparameters, an architecture for the task-specific model, and optimizing the model's performance on the task-specific data. This can save researchers a lot of time and effort in developing and fine-tuning models, and it can also improve the performance of the models on the specific tasks. Moreover, Autogpt can be useful not only for language-related tasks, but also for other domains such as image and video processing. The technique of generative pre-training is not limited to text data, and can be applied to other data types as well. Overall, Autogpt represents a significant advance in the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. It automates many of the tedious and time-consuming aspects of developing and fine-tuning neural networks, and it can help researchers create more efficient and effective models for a wide range of natural language processing and other tasks. So, if you're more curious about AI and want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to the AI Buzz. Thank you for watching.